Listen up, guys.
Holy crap, it's Mr. McDonald's.
Would you rather have this golden phone or this magic watch?
What does the golden phone do?
This golden phone has unlimited storage and unlimited FPS.
And what does the magic watch do?
This magic watch stops time and everyone freezes except who's wearing it.
I'm gonna go with the magic watch.
I'm gonna go with the golden phone so I can play more Roblox.
I don't know which one I prefer. Can you guys help me out?
If Cruz should get the magic watch, leave a like.
No, subscribe for the golden phone.